Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this desk. Now, this desk is so different than a lot of the desks I've seen because it is, first of all, it's got rolling casters, but on the front, which I'll bring you in here close, you actually have invisible rollers. So that allows it to be a little over an inch thick, so it can slide underneath of a bed. So I actually have like more of a platform style bed, and it fits right over the bed. So then if I did need to want to eat here, or even like in a hospital or something, and you needed to have a hospital bed, you just have this nice big desktop that can roll right up to the bed. You could sit here, you could do your work while you're doing bed. If you're sick, you need a nice table. And on the side of the table, moves all around, you actually have a nice little cup holder over here. So you can then add in your cup, your water bottle, and not have to worry about knocking it over or getting in the way of this big desktop. Now this desktop is about 15 to 30 inches, about 15 inches this way to a little bit over 30 inches this way. And this, like I said, is all adjustable. You have a nice little knob right on the inside here that you can loosen this up. And then this tabletop can actually go from about 24 inches up to about 36 inches. You press on this little lever, and that will allow it to release and go down and up based on what you want. And then you just lock it back in place. And this is all a nice stainless steel all the way around. The table is nice and smooth. It's got like almost like a rubberized edge. So if it did bump into something, it's not going to scratch anything. So I'm going to bring you in here close so we can look at this nice rolling table desk. So here is the desk up close. So here's the lever that you use to then be able to lower and lift it. You've got your nice stainless steel bar all the way through here. And then down here at the bottom, you have your lockable casters. There's 360 casters that you can just easily lock in place. And that is on both sides. But the really cool thing are these wheels on this side over here. They're actually just invisible wheels that are underneath there. So that is just rolling around real nice. It also goes in a 360 motion. So this is a great little desk that you can have to be able to put over your bed and easily eat, drink, do your work, anything like that. It's a great little desk.